Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Kartra account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your PayPal to your Kartra account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your PayPal to your Kartra account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Kartra, you know that in order to accept payments, you have to connect a payment gateway, and PayPal is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or integrate your PayPal, what you're going to do is here on the left menu, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see integrations. All right, once you do that, you're going to see various integrations you can add into your Kartra, but you want to go ahead and just scroll down until you see PayPal. Okay, so here is PayPal. And next, what you want to do is click on these three little dots and then click on new integration. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up and you want to click on this blue connect PayPal button. Okay, next PayPal asks for you to log in right here. So I'm going to click on login. All right, so next I'm going to go ahead and log into my PayPal using my business account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email here. Okay, next it's asking me to enter in my PayPal password. So I'm going to enter that and then click on login. Okay, next PayPal is asking me to go ahead and review the permissions that we're giving Kartra. So go ahead and read through that. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on agree and consent. Okay, next the page refreshes. Now, in order to connect your PayPal to Kartra, you do need to add a PDT token. So this is going to be found inside of your PayPal business account. So let me go ahead and open up my PayPal and show you how to find that. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up my business account in PayPal. And what you're going to need to do is click on business dashboard right here. Okay, so once you click on business dashboard, it's going to show your business account and you want to hover over your name here on the top. And then you're going to see a drop down and click on account settings. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to bring you here to the business account settings. And then what you want to do is here on the left, you want to scroll down until you see this button here called website payments. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu right here and just scroll through until you see this button here, website preferences. Go ahead and click on update. Okay, so once you do that, you want to scroll down to this section here called auto return, and then you want to make sure that is turned on. Okay, so once you do that, it's asking you to put in a website. So you want to go ahead and type in this website. Okay, so it's https://kartra.com, and then click on save. Okay, next you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see payment data transfer, and then make sure this is clicked on. Okay, so once you've clicked on, you're going to see the identity token here. Go ahead and copy this long string of numbers and letters. Okay, now that we've copied it, we're pretty much done here. So let me jump back over to my Kartra account. Okay, so here we are in Kartra. So once again, we need to paste in that long token right here. So let me click here, and then we're just going to paste that whole thing in there. Okay, now it's pasted. You want to click on this blue create button. All right, just a quick second later, you're going to see this pop up, integration completed. So let me close this down. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see my PayPal logo has a green icon above it. So now my PayPal is integrated into my Kartra, so I can use that as a payment processor. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or integrate your PayPal to your Kartra account to accept payments, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.